Lion Air flight JT330, departing from Indonesia's Jakarta International Airport of Soekarno-Hatta on October 26, 2022, experienced a fire in the left engine shortly after departure. This caused the plane to fly towards the open sea north of Jakarta before returning to the airport again for an emergency landing after squawking on the 7700 frequency. The pilot had declared an emergency. The 10-year-old Lion Air Boeing 737-8GP with registration PKLKK departed slightly late from Jakarta, which is a common occurrence. But just after its departure, plane spotters already noticed the left engine was on fire. It took the pilot almost 40 minutes to fly out over the Bay of Jakarta before making the return again. There were no injuries reported and passengers were able to evacuate through the doors. Some of them were obviously filming and carry-on luggages were brought along as well.